Namaskar. Jainism and yogic philosophy share a deep-rooted connection in their approach to life. Both emphasize on ahimsa, that is non-violence, as the central tenet, guiding their followers to lead a life of compassion and harmony. In fact, Jainism's focus on self-discipline and renunciation aligns closely to yamas and niyamas, which are the ethical principles as per yogic philosophy. Jainism advocates the threefold path to liberation, that is, right knowledge, which is perhaps Jnana Yoga, right faith, which is perhaps Bhakti Yoga, and right conduct, which is nothing but Karma Yoga. With such striking similarities, both traditions advocate the principles of meditation, self-awareness, and simplicity. Join us in the National Conclave in October, where renowned spiritual masters from different faiths and different religions, from Hinduism, from Jainism, from Buddhism, from Islam, from Sikh, get together and deliberate on how yoga can be a catalyst in bringing a cultural symphony across the globe. Namaskar.